Ko Anahera Herbert Graves tōku ingoa. Tēnei te pepeha o tōku iwi, ko maunga tani whā te maunga ko tōkero te moana, ko māmaru te waka, ko te parata te tangata, ko kahu te nui te tupuna whaia, ko Ngāti Kahu te iwi. So the first I heard of parakore was when they were looking for the person who became you, to be the advisor, promoter of the kaupapa here in Te Hiku o Te Ika, and I was captured by the care about Papa Tuanuku particularly, and just knowing that we had a long recycling history here in Kaitaia, but that it wasn't really reaching into our marae, that our marae was still by and large taking all their waste to landfill or burning it. So I really, there was a natural affinity in me for that kind of, kaupapa, that kaitiakitanga. Before parakore came onto the horizon, all we did, we produced mainly paper waste, don't do a lot of other things. We shredded it, stuck it into rubbish bags and put it in the landfill. Once he came on board, I don't know who suggested it, whether it came from me or came from you, but we sort of made an organic decision to do a waste audit, which I'd never even heard of prior to that. So yourself and I think it was just you,
Joe,
that's right, from the
EcoSolutions.
EcoSolutions came in,
Yeah,
and that was really eye-opening for us. I remember, you going through all of our individual rubbish bins, and then the one in the kitchen, the ones in the toilet, and the vast bulk of it didn't have to go to landfill the way it had been. So that changed our practices hugely.